Hello everybody, welcome back to my English class again all together. How have you been today? I hope you are fine. And today's lesson we still learn on Unit 5, Super Me. And our topic today is polite request. By the end of these lessons, I hope you will be able to identify the way how to request something politely through the lessons. And you also practice using can or could to make polite requests. Last but not least, you also make a conversation by using polite requests. អញ្ចឹងគ្រូសង្ឃឹមថានៅក្រោយពីបញ្ចប់មេរៀននេះបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចកំណត់បានពីរបៀបឬមួយក៏វិធីនៃការស្នើសុំអ្វីមួយបានយ៉ាងគួរសមតាមរយៈមេរៀន ហើយអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាក៏អាចអនុវត្តនៅក្នុងការប្រើប្រាស់ can ឬមួយក៏ could ដើម្បីមានការស្នើសុំបែបគួរសមផងដែរហើយចុងក្រោយបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាក៏អាចបង្កើតកិច្ចសន្ទនាដោយប្រើការស្នើសុំមួយដែលមានការគួរសមផងដែរ Okay everyone, now I just want to check the homework that I allowed you to do last week with my lesson. So our homework today is I just want you to complete the information of who or what that the adjective in this box of the text refer to. And just want you to look at this adjective and then just want you to present this adjective refer to. Okay, example 1. The adjective busy. So the information of the adjective busy refer to Nicola's father was always busy. Now look at the adjective of importance. Important refer to, okay, the music wasn't very important for Nicola's family. One more thing, money is important for Gio. Okay, how about the adjective of difficult? What is difficult? Yes, the adjective of difficult refers to it was very difficult for Gio because his family was very poor. How about the adjective proud? Okay, the adjective proud refers to Gio is proud of Nicola because she played concerts all over the world. And one more, the adjective hardworking. It refers to Gio and Nicola were very hardworking people because of their passions. And the adjective classical. It refers to Gio doesn't like classical music. And the adjective expensive. It refers to Jaguar was too expensive. And the adjective passionate, it refers to when Nicola played the violin, she is passionate. Okay, the adjective poor, it refers to Gio's family was very poor. And the adjective close, it refers to Nicola and her sister are very close. And the adjective independent, it refers to Nicola was always independent persons like Gio. And one more, at the last, the adjective sentimental, it refers to Gio felt very sentimental for his daughter. Okay everyone, now I just want you to compare my answer with yours all together. Okay, everyone, before going to learn new lessons, I want you to look at this picture and just find out and answer the questions all together. Okay, where is it? Okay, it is in the coffee shop, right? Okay, what are they doing? Okay, maybe they are buying and they are selling. Okay, everyone, I just raised some questions about you. When you go to buy something or when you want something from someone, how do you say? And if you want to say with them politely, how can you request something in politely? Okay, today's lesson we learned about how to request someone in polite. Okay, when you want to request someone impolitely, you also could use can, you also could use could, would, may, or will. But today lesson, we only learned about can and could for polite requests. Okay, everyone, can and could, we use it to want something, to show when you want something from someone, or when you request something from someone, or when you pray for something for your own. It means you request something for your desire. So this picture, it represents about can and could. But if you want to learn can and could deeply, please look at it all together. Okay, we use can and could for a request, right? Okay, request, it means you ask someone to do something, or you ask someone for something. So you can use can or could. And I just want you to look at the examples of can and could all together. Okay, like can I have a coffee, please? And can I borrow your dictionary? Okay, this is a kind of request sentence, right? When you request something from someone, so you can use can. Okay, now please look at the form of can. Can plus subject, okay, and plus infinitive. And you also add the information at after infinitive. Now please look back to could. Okay, you just only change from cans to could. That's it. Okay. Could I have the menu, please? Could you send me any photos? Okay. Everyone, when you want to make the conversations, or when you want to make a request, so you can use could instead of can here. And this is the form of could plus subject and plus infinitive and the information. Okay, everyone, can and could, we use them for requesting something from someone, right? Okay, now please look at the way how to use can and could. So we also know that can and could, we use them for a request, right? When you ask for something, or when you want something from someone, or when you want someone to do something for you. So we use can and could. But we only use can for informal requests. អញ្ចឹងគ្រូសូមបញ្ជាក់បន្ថែមអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ can គឺសម្រាប់ការស្នើសុំក៏ពិតមែនប៉ុន្តែការស្នើសុំមួយបែបមិនទាន់ជាផ្លូវការកន្លែងមិនទាន់ជាផ្លូវការកន្លែងហ្នឹងគេនិយាយថាwhen you talk with someone you know well like your friends. Okay, ចឹងគេថានៅពេលដែលបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នានិយាយជាមួយអ្នកណាគេម្នាក់ដែលបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាស្គាល់ពួកគាត់ច្បាស់ដូចជាមិត្តភក្តិរបស់បងប្អូនឬមួយក៏អ្នកណាគេដែលជិតស្និទ្ធជាមួយគាត់យើងគាត់អាចប្រើពាក្យថា can បាន But could, we use could for formal requests when you talk with everyone else like your teacher, doctor and other people we do not know well. អញ្ចឹងគ្រូសូមបញ្ជាក់កន្លែងនេះយើងប្រើ could គឺសម្រាប់ការស្នើសុំដែរប៉ុន្តែការស្នើសុំមួយបែបលក្ខណៈផ្លូវការឧទាហរណ៍ថានៅពេលដែលបងប្អូននិយាយទៅកាន់អ្នកណាគេក៏ដោយដូចជាគ្រូបរិញ្ញាវិជ្ជាបណ្ឌិតឬមួយក៏មនុស្សផ្សេងទៀតដែលបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអត់ទាន់បានស្គាល់ពួកគាត់ច្បាស់ទេអាចនិយាយបានថាយើងមានការគួរសមមួយសម្រាប់ពួកគាត់យើងនិយាយគោរពគាត់ឬមួយក៏យើងចង់ផ្ដល់អាសេចក្តីគួរសមទៅឲ្យគាត់គឺយើងនិយាយពាក្យថា could អញ្ចឹង can ហើយនឹង could គឺប្រើសម្រាប់ការស្នើសុំប៉ុន្តែ can ប្រើសម្រាប់ការស្នើសុំបែបមិនផ្លូវការហើយ could សម្រាប់ការស្នើសុំបែបផ្លូវការ Okay everyone, I just want you to practice the exercise all together after you learn can and could. And I just give you 5 seconds and you just pause this video and try to complete what you want here. After that, I will play a tape script for you to listen and check it all together. Okay, picture number 1. Okay, it is maybe in a coffee shop, right? Okay, student A said, can I have a blah blah, and please. Yes, of course. Okay, A, we will complete what? Okay, maybe coffee, right? Okay, can I have a coffee, please? Yes, of course. Now please look at picture 2. Okay, picture 2, we just look at the letter here, accidents, emergencies, right? Okay, what will this man say to this girl? A, can you open the what for me, please? Okay, C said sure, no, blah blah, and A said thank. Okay, what will you complete here? Okay, can you open the door for me, please? Sure, no problem, thanks. Okay, number 3, look at the women here. The woman, she just raised her hand. Maybe she needs something from someone, right? Okay, A say, could I have the what, please? Okay, or could I have the water, or could I have something here? Okay, could I have the menu, please? Certainly, madam. Okay, everyone, now please look at the 4th picture. Okay, maybe they are at the train stations, right? Okay, they are at the train stations. A said that, could you, me, the, and please. What will you complete here? If someone answer, it's 10:30. Okay, could you tell me the time, please? E said, it's 10:30. Thanks a lot. Okay, everybody, after you complete these conversations, and I just want you to listen and check it all together with me.
Tape script 5.17. Polite requests. 1.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Yes, of course.
2. Can you open the door for me, please?
Sure, no problem.
Thanks. 3. Could I have the menu, please?
Certainly, madam.
4.
Could you tell me the time, please?
It's 10:30.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, everybody, after you listen to this, and if you want to make another conversation and you just take out the sample of this conversation, okay, we have completed already. Now just move to another exercise. So in this exercise, I will provide you 4 pictures and 4 recommendations, and I just want you to make a complete request. It means that I just want you to make a request by looking at this recommendation and questions, something what you want. Okay, example, picture number 1, you want the window closed. អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះមានន័យថាបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាចង់ឲ្យទ្វារនោះបិទបើសិនបងប្អូនចង់ស្នើសុំអ្នកណាគេម្នាក់ឲ្យបិទទ្វារតើបងប្អូនគួរតែនិយាយយ៉ាងម៉េចអញ្ចឹងគេបានផ្ដល់ឧទាហរណ៍ឲ្យបងប្អូនហើយគេអាចឲ្យយើងប្រើ could ក៏បាន can ក៏បានកន្លែងនេះ you could and can you what. Okay, អញ្ចឹងកន្លែងនេះសូមបងប្អូនធ្វើវាទាំងអស់គ្នា and pause this video and just do it. After you do it, please check it with the teacher. អញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនអាច stop វីដេអូនេះហើយធ្វើវាបន្ទាប់ពីធ្វើវាហើយត្រួតពិនិត្យជាមួយគ្រូទាំងអស់គ្នា Okay, everybody, now let's start to check it with me all together. Picture number 1, you want the window closed, so you could request someone by can or could you close the window, please? Okay, good. Is it correct to you? Yes. Picture number 2, you want a drink of water. It means you want to drink water. So when you want to request someone for a water, how could you say? So the answer could, can, or may I. What? Can't or could I have a glass of water, please? Okay, this is what you request someone for water. And picture 3, you want your teacher to speak slower. It means your teacher speaks fast. You cannot catch up the lesson well. When you request him or her to speak slowly, what can you do? Okay, you say, can't or could you speak slowly, please? Okay, good. And last one, you want the TV to turn on. It means you talk with your sister or your mother when you want a TV turn on. How could you request or what would you want from his or her? Okay. You say, can or could you turn on the TV, please? Okay. Everybody, this is the way how you request someone to do something, or when you request something for yours, you will start with can or could. Okay, everyone, now it's time to do homework. Okay, for this homework, I just want you to make a conversation by using some of these prompts below. ចឹងទាំងអស់គ្នាគ្រូសូមបញ្ជាក់បន្តិចកន្លែងនេះគឺគ្រូចង់ឲ្យបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើកិច្ចការផ្ទះមួយដោយបង្កើតកិច្ចសន្ទនាដែលរើស clear ខាងក្រោមនេះដើម្បីយកទៅបង្កើតកិច្ចសន្ទនាណាមួយជាលក្ខណៈនៃការស្នើសុំអ្វីមួយយ៉ាងមានសេចក្តីគួរសមចំពោះពួកគាត់អញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនទាំងអស់គ្នាអាចប្រើពាក្យដូចជា a color, the bill or pay by credit card, vanilla ice cream, a glass of water, a return ticket, borrow your dictionary or something. Yes. Now please look at the example here. Okay. When you make a conversation, it is like the same poll that I provide you. Yes. Can I have a color, please? Okay. You want color, right? Can I have a color, please? So this is a request, right? Okay. This is the seller said, sure, here you are. And you say, of course, diet or regular. Sorry, they don't have any color. So this is the way you make a conversations. Okay, thank you everyone. And don't forget to submit it to me. Okay, goodbye. See you next video. Thank you.